Hey there, Escambia educators, and welcome to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Now today's topic, Focus Gradebook Preferences. Let me walk you through them. On your sidebar menu, go to Preferences and select. When this screen appears, you're going to see some different options. The first one is to choose your language, and you can also change your highlight color. Choose your student information layout for 1, 2, or 3 columns. You can click to display user images, and then we recommend that your default filters stay on, but that's your choice. Date format is up to you as well, month, day, year, or day, month, year. And then we have some options for gradebooks. You could configure your gradebook separately, and this allows you to create categories for each section separately as opposed to creating them in combined gradebooks for multiple sections. Another option is to combine sections for attendance. For example, you have different sections that take place during the same period. That way you take attendance one time instead of separately. And then also combine sections for gradebook. This allows you to combine multiple sections into the same gradebook as a way for teachers to enter grades for several sections one time. However, there's a warning. You could lose grades if you change your mind and uncombine your gradebooks later, so always export. Now on this screen, you're going to see the options we just talked about reflected here. So depending on which one you choose, click your blue check mark, and for combining sections for gradebook, if you click that, you're going to see some more options that you could do that by class period, or you could create some custom groups, and those would be displayed here. But again, please keep that warning in mind before you decide to combine those gradebooks. Anytime you make a change, come over to the top right hand side and click that red Save button, and then your changes are reflected. If we continue to move across the top, we can go to our student listing. We can sort by name, grade name, enrollment date or name. We can have a default for where our students land, depending on this filter. We can default our user category as well. Then we could display student search screens by default. We could make a customized list if we wanted. We could search inactive students. We can skip results if there's only one result. And then I'd like to draw your attention to the student name format. Instead of nickname, they're now called preferred names. So it's your choice on how you want student names displayed. You could also display the student ID in your list, grade levels, as well as displaying the student photos in the student list, which is also the default and the preferred method. Now there are many columns to choose from in your student list, so don't overwhelm yourself. Email notifications will alert you if forms require your attention, and your linked account is here for Google Grade Passback, but Canvas is the LMS system. And there you have it, your gradebook preferences in focus. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended videos because that is a Byte of Tech.